Vestil BOL or 40BK underground mounted removable ornamental steel bollard, 4.5 diameter, 40 usable height. Steel constructed barrier offers solid, reliable protection. Built-in chain attachment eyes provide added protection. Powder coat black offers a long-lasting finish. Attractive design functions as a barrier to vehicles. CYGJSYA Bollard Post, Safety Bollard, Steel Parking Barrier 5x 31-inch and 2 pieces parking barrier with chain. Protect your equipment, use the 31-inch silver Bollard Post steel safety barrier to send a clear message that says an area is off limits or requires caution when approaching. High visibility, bright silver color enhances visibility to encourage awareness and caution, while 0.8-inch, 20mm, wide yellow DOT reflective tape wraps around top for increased night visibility. The pillar and the base are separate. If parking pole blocks the road, the column part can be temporarily removed. Barrier chain and 16-foot long chain is also provided. The chain is made of PE plastic. Sturdy and durable, not easy to corrode or crack. Easy TO install. The hanging ring is welded very firmly. It is easy to pass the chain through the hanging ring. The pole body and the chain can be easily connected, assembled and disassembled through the buckle.